Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. It's day 2 here at Pharma Congress Pharmatechnica. I'm delighted to be joined by Patrick Musse from Belimed Life Science and Stephan Grober from Winterhoff, and we're going to find out a bit more about Belimed and what they've been showcasing to delegates this week at the Congress. But first question for you gentlemen is, how are you both?
Fine, thanks.
Great. Well, it's good to see you. Now, I know yesterday, every time I walked past your booth, it was very busy. So how was day 1 for you?
Yeah, it was a great opportunity to meet all the people after Corona. So really good event. So.
Fantastic. Now, for those people not familiar with Belimed Life Science, Patrick, would you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, of course. So we are specialists for autoclaves and cleaning machines, and also for every solutions that the customer needs. So.
Brilliant. And what's the relationship with Belimed and Winterhoff?
Yeah, so Winterhoff is a good partner for us for transfer systems, for example, and everything out of stainless steel. And furthermore, they're an expert for decontamination with hydrogen peroxide.
Now, I can see on your table you have VR glasses. So, do you want to talk me through why they're on the stand and what you've been doing with delegates?
Yeah, of course. So we use it here for show the customers our machines with the HoloLens. They can directly see the 3D model and also see the piping. And that's much more easier to build up than the whole machine on the.
Right. Okay. Now, viewers, I'm just going to pause it for a second because I've noticed that the screen has gone blank and we just need to set it up. So bear with me. I'm just going to pause the video and we'll go to it. 1 second. Yeah. And we're back. And as you can see, the screen is now set up. So, Patrick, tell me what you're going to do now.
Yeah. So now Stephan is going to put on the HoloLens, and then we're going to show us our PHA10 in the 3D model. It's also our smallest washer. It's 1 square meter, only needed, and here you can see it from the front view, the washing cabin, and also the front paneling. And now Stephan is also going a little bit to the side, because then you can also see, get a great overview over the piping and everything. And right now we only use it for really to show the customers our machines, that they get the overview of it. But also we have furthermore applications, also for example for servers and so on, or for training. That also, for example, that the customer could get a HoloLens by themselves, and when there would be an issue, that they can directly connect the remote with us to Switzerland, and that our expert can help them. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So I think that's good to get an overview, and of course you're also welcome to come to our place and to test this device. And yeah, that would be the end of the demo. Thank you very much, Stephan.
Brilliant. And now you've also got some other things you're showcasing.
Yeah, we also have a new Hmi structure that we want to show to the customers. So here we worked with the 3-click philosophy. So you can easily get here with a few clicks. You can get to every point where you want to go. So for example, here you have also the visualization of the P&I diagram, where you can easily check live all the values of the pressure sensors or temperature sensors. So that's a really nice device, and that makes life easier for the operator.
So is this at the actual facility that the operator is using the machine, or can they also use this remotely?
So they can also connect remotely with the HMI, but it's a machine where the operator is working with the machine. So that's the HMI.
Fantastic. Now, if people want to know more, and this is the last day, so they may not be able to see you here if they're not here, where else can they meet you?
So the next event would be the ACHEMA, so there we will also be. And also, of course, on our website, our sales guys, we will be pleasant to give you more information.
Brilliant. Well, look, Stephan's hiding behind me, but if he can come back into the picture for a second, so we can just close up. So, I was going to say thank you very much for that, Patrick and Stephan, for the demo. It was lovely to meet you both. Enjoy the last day. I hope it goes very well like the first day did. There you go, viewers. So if you'd like to know more about Belimed Life Science and what they're doing, and even try out the VR goggles as well, if you're here at Pharma Congress Pharmatechnica, then check out the booth. Booth number is again
23.
Thank you, as I forgot. So there you go. 23. Come to the booth, and if you can't make it to the booth, you're not here, then you can meet the team at ACHEMA, which will be in August. And if you can't do that, then obviously you can get in touch directly via LinkedIn or through their website. Details will be above the video. So, Stephan, Patrick, thank you again for your time.
Thank you very much.
And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.